Hey, this is Eric Hunter here, and today I want to talk about pendulum healing or pendulum alchemy protocols and what order should you do the protocols in. So I have several protocols that I've created, and students in the certification program are creating protocols all the time. For example, there's a time machine healing program, an emotional healing protocol. There are many protocols that you can do. And basically a protocol is like a series of commands or a series of actions that you do with your pendulum. It could be like pendulum commands. It could be also sending energy, different things, depending on what the protocol is. Sometimes it's also dowsing to identify things. So the question is like, well, what order do you do them in? Like, do you do the time machine healing protocol first, then the emotional healing, or the emotional healing and the time machine healing? Like, how do you do it? And the answer is it doesn't matter because each protocol is standalone. So every protocol is a standalone protocol. So you just follow the steps of that protocol and it's a complete protocol. That's the beauty of the protocol. I do have a protocol for, black magic and hexes and stuff, but, and there is an order that you need to do that protocol in, but the protocol itself is self-contained. So you could do that protocol, first, and then do time machine healing, then the other one, or do the others, and then do that protocol. It doesn't really matter at the end of the day. If you feel strongly though that like one protocol should be done first, go for it. You might have an intuitive knowing about what's the right action to take, and it might actually make it work better. But the good news is if you make a mistake, there are no mistakes. You can't really make a mistake. You can do it in any order you want. Just follow your intuition, follow your gut feelings. Who knows, maybe doing one before another will make it work better. But at the end of the day, like, you don't have to get hung up on that. It's not a big deal. All right, well, I hope that answered your question. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button below and check out my website, pendulumalchemy.com. I have lots of great resources on learning how to use your pendulum to make your life better and to help those who you love. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye.